With this we have 1 from area under the curve. So let's start by plotting the curve. Note that f and g both are even functions and we need to find the area from minus 3 by 4 to 3 by 4. We'll just double the area from 0 to 3 by 4. So I'm just plotting the functions from x greater than 0. So x square plus 5 by 12 is a parabola, something like this. And 2 into 1 minus 4 by 3, 4x by 3, as x is greater than 0, so mod x will simply be x. So that would be something like this. So this is 3 by 4 comma 0. Something. So minimum of f and g is this. And the area is this. So we'll find the point of intersection, that is x square plus 5 by 12 equals to 8x by 3. Again I am replacing mod x by x because I am trying to find this point of intersection with x greater than 0. So that gives me 12x square plus 32x minus 19 equals to 0, which gives me 12x square plus 38x gives me x equals to half. And x equals to minus 19 by 6, which we'll reject because x is greater than 0. By 4 plus 5 by 12 is 8 by 12, 2 by 3, and yeah, so we have this point of intersection. This is half comma 0. Now finding the area is straightforward. It is integration 0 to half area of this region. So that this region is bounded up by this parabola. So this becomes x square plus 5 by 12 plus from half to 3 by 4. Instead of integrating, we'll just do this half base into height. Half base is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 4, into height is 2 by 3. Height here is f of half equals to this is also g of half. Okay, so now this integral, this is x cube by 3 plus 5x by 12 from 0 to half, which is 1 by 24 plus 5 by 24, 1 by 4, and this becomes 1 by 12. So the final is this plus this, which is equals to 1 by 3. So this is alpha, the area under the curve, and 9 alpha is, so again we made a mistake here. So this is not alpha, this is in fact alpha by 2, because this is just this area when x is greater than 0. We'll have as this is an even function and this whole thing would be symmetrical about y-axis, we'll have the same amount of area here as well. So alpha by 2 is 1 by 3, which gives us alpha equals to 2 by 3, which gives us 9 alpha equals to 6. So the answer is 6.